Hey, welcome back. Today we're going to go over how to make the perfect negative. First time, every time.
Welcome to the Naked Photographer, where I'll be exposing myself. No, I won't. That sounded better in my head.
So the secret is making sure you have a camera that... Sorry, I got a lot of glare coming off of my table. I see it in my monitor there. I got a new rim light and it's really bright. You know what? Let's take care of this first. Hold on.
Let's see. Nothing there. Nope. Straws? Yeah, let's grab a bunch of these. And, ooh, scissors. Cut your straws into approximately 1-inch long pieces. A little bit shorter will give you a wider spread of light. Longer will give you a tighter spread of light. I cut up about 18 to 20 straws for this. Once you have your pieces cut up, take some super glue and you're going to just put a couple little dots on each piece and glue it to the next one. I'm using a ruler to get a straight line along the back edge. I'm not really concerned about variation in length. It's really not that important overall. Just be careful with the super glue. You want it fast drying so that they don't fall apart on you. Here I'm using the actual diffuser to get a good guide of the number of pieces needed. Once you're done with your first row, you're going to start attaching your second row on top. Here you can see I'm creating the second row needed. And you're just going to continue on until you build up your total grid. Put a couple spots on 2 straws, put the piece on top, and just keep building up. Give it a few seconds to set. Here you can see we're moving quite along, getting that nice grid shape. So here's the finished product. I've got the grid complete. I've let it sit about 20 minutes to really let the glue set. You really want to give it a bit of time. You can see on the edges how the super glue has deformed the plastic or discolored. If you put it on the diffuser too soon, it will create deformed areas on the plastic diffuser. I've just used a couple of small pieces of tape to attach this to my light. I'm using a Neewer CN160. And here you are. When you're looking straight at it, you get a pretty good blast of light right at you, but just a little bit angled to either side, and it really starts blocking the light away. So a very effective grid.
Oh, all right. Well, I feel much better about that. Now we've got this nice little rim light coming up through here, but it's not spilling all over my seamless paper. It's not glaring off of my table. I feel like we can ready to move on now. So let's talk about how to get that perfect negative each and every time. I'm out of time. Sorry guys. What to do next time. So thanks for watching The Naked Photographer. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.